We learn about
What was our topic?
on uh erosion.
Yes, last time we talked about or we learned about erosion. Can you please tell me what is erosion?
Erosion is the natural movement and of rocks, tiny pieces of loose rock and soil over long distance. Many different things can
Mm-hmm.
cause erosion, including wind, rivers, ice, oceans, and landslides.
Yes. Okay, very good. So erosion is the natural movement of rocks, tiny pieces of loose rock and soil. Over over long distances, many different things can cause erosion, including wind, rivers, ice, ocean, and landslide. Very good. Okay, so now we are done with the erosion. So now we are going to talk about Europe. Are you familiar with Europe?
Yeah.
Have you heard Europe or about Europe?
Mm, I have heard uh, Europe
Have you?
have
Yeah, Europe.
Europe is surrounded by ocean.
Yes, that's correct. Um, do you know a country that is part of Europe?
Um
Do you know a country that is part of Europe?
is French.
Yes, it's France. Very good. Okay. What about Paris? Is Paris part of Europe?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, it's good. Okay, that's part of Europe. So now, what is Europe? Okay, can you please read what is Europe, Lynn?
Europe, the continent of Europe is surrounded by ocean, except in the east, where it is joined to Asia. Much of Europe is flat, but there are several high mountain ranges, including the Alps,
Alps.
Pyrenees, and Alps, Pyrenees, and
Okay.
the Carpathians.
Carpathians. Okay, very good. So Europe is a continent. Okay, take note that Europe is a continent. Europe is a fascinating continent with a diverse geography. Okay, so geography, cultures, and landmarks. It is, okay, take note this, Lynn, it is the second smallest continent. Okay,
Yeah,
remember that one, yeah. Europe is the second smallest continent by area, but contains nearly 50 countries. Okay, how many countries?
50 country.
Very good. Europe contains of 50 or nearly 50 countries. Okay, so we have here, this is the geographical highlights of Europe. Can you please read about Europe, this one?
About
Okay,
Europe,
about Europe.
po-
Okay.
population is 743.
Okay, okay. It's
That's 1 million.
743.1 million. Again, it's 743.1 million.
Is 743.1
Yes,
million.
very good.
Hi- Highest point Mount Elbrus.
Okay,
Lowest point
Elbrus.
Elbrus.
Mm-hmm.
Lowest point, Caspian Sea. Biggest
Very
desert
good.
is Oceania Sahara.
Very good.
Longest river is Volga.
Okay, very good. So this is the um, geographical highlights of Europe or about Europe. We have the population. Europe consists of 743.1 million people. Wow. And the highest point of Europe is the Mount. What mount is that?
The
The Mount.
Mount Elbrus.
Very good. The Mount Elbrus. And the lowest point is the Caspian Sea. And the biggest desert is Oltenia. Okay. And the
Ocean.
longest river is Volga. Okay. Let's check. Okay. Okay. What is the highest point, Lynn? Can you please tell me the
Highest point.
highest point? Let's check the
Mm,
the the mount. Okay. The mount. What is that mount? Elbrus. Let's check. Oh, this is the Mount Elbrus. Wow. Can you see that?
yes.
Yeah, this is the Mount Elbrus. This is located, or Elbrus is the highest mountain in Russia and Europe. Okay, let's see a different image. Wow. Okay, do you see this one?
Yes.
Yeah, is it beautiful?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Like, yeah. Yes, Mount Elbrus is really beautiful. Okay, let's check the other one. What about Caspian Sea? Let's see the Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea. What is the Caspian Sea? Okay, this is the Caspian Sea here. This is a map. Okay, do you see the map? Is it too
Yes.
small? Okay, this is the Caspian Sea. Okay,
Yeah.
this blue here is the Caspian Sea. Okay, very good. And also the longest river. Let's search the longest river. It's Volga. Oh, this is Volga. Do you see that?
Yes.
This is Volga, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's really the longest one in Europe. Okay, and the biggest desert. Okay. Oltenia. Am I correct? Oltenia
Yeah.
Sahara. Let me see. Oltenian Sahara. Oh, wow. Oh, this is the Oltenian Sahara, Lin. Okay, hold on. Okay, do you see this one?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the Oltenian Sahara. Okay. Do in Vietnam, do you have what do you call this? Do you have mountains?
Mountain.
Yeah. Do you have mountains there in Vietnam?
Yes.
Okay. What is the famous mountain in Vietnam?
My famous mountain in Vietnam, I think, is I think is um a fancy pang.
A fancy.
Fancy pang.
Okay, how to spell that one? Okay, I will
PH.
search it here. The famous mountain in Vietnam. Let's search. Famous mountain in Vietnam. Oh, do you know these mountains?
Yes. Yes, it's the first. Yeah.
Fansipan here.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow. Okay, let's search the Fansipan. It's woo. Wow, this is so beautiful. Where is this
Yeah.
located, Lin? What specific
Um.
area in Vietnam?
Is in Lào Cai.
Wow, this is so nice. Wow. I think this I will put this in my bucket list. This is so nice. Oh, wow. I am amazed. As in, have you been here?
Not yet.
Not yet. But people are allowed to
Um.
go here?
Yes. And in the
Yes.
winter, there
Mm-hmm.
is also have ice and maybe snow.
Here?
Yes.
Wow, so amazing. Is it true that in Fancy Fun it's really beautiful?
Yes.
There are there are a lot of tourists that go here.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Okay. It's so beautiful. Wow. Okay. Here in the
Uh,
Philippines, the famous mountain or the tallest we have here volcano. We call it
y-
mm, what is the famous let's search. I will let you see the famous mountain. And it's not a mountain. That's I will let you see. This is Bulkang Mayon. Okay, hold on for a moment, Lin. Okay, this is the Bulkang Mayon. Here in the Philippines,
yeah.
this is the most famous, like it's very famous Mayon.
y- Yes. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Actually, this is it has a perfect cone. Okay. Perfect cone, a perfect shape of a volcan or it's Bulkang Mayon. But the tallest mountain here in the Philippines is Mount Apo. And you can see that here in our area.
Yeah.
Here, yeah. Okay, so now, Lynn, wow. I really love the Pansipan. Pansipan.
Yeah.
Hmm. I really wanted to go there. Manifesting.
Mm.
Thank you for that, Lynn. Thank you so much. Okay, now, so Europe. So Europe is the second smallest continent with or contains nearly 50 countries. Okay. So now, can you please read what is Wolverine? This one.
Wolverine, this powerful meat eater, is the biggest member of the weasel family.
Mm. Okay, very good. So Wolverine is the largest member of the weasel family. This is the most or this is powerful meat eater. Oh. So look at this. This is a Wolverine. And you can see this in Europe, okay? In the places of Europe, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this is wildlife, okay? This is what you call wildlife. Okay. The other wildlife in Europe is the golden eagle. This is the golden eagle. Do you see this one here?
Yes.
Yes. This is the golden eagle, the powerful predator. Okay? Take note that in Europe they have wildlife. Okay, first is the wolverine, the powerful meat eater, and also the golden eagle, which is a powerful predator. Okay, they also have
Yeah.
the Dalmatian pelican. This is the Dalmatian pelican. Look at the Dalmatian pelican, Lynn.
Yeah.
Do you see that? Okay. Dalmatian pelican is found in Eastern Europe. Okay, that's their wildlife. Okay, take note that wolverine, what is that? Golden eagle and Dalmatian pelican is the wildlife or wildlife that will that found in Europe. Okay, they also have natural wonders. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And part of their natural wonders is the brown bear. Okay, this one. You see that?
Yes.
Okay, so take note that while a brown bear, a symbol of Europe's wilderness. Oh, okay. Brown
Yeah.
bear is a symbol of Europe's wilderness. Okay. So we also have, or they also have the nope. Where is that? This one. The nope. Okay, let's search how to pronounce that one because I am not familiar with the word. Edge, jaff, jalala.
Eyjafjallajökull.
Again.
Eyjafjallajökull.
Okay, Eyjafjallajökull. Okay.
Yeah.
Eyjafjallajökull.
Okay. Do you hear that?
Eyjafjallajökull.
Yes.
F Eyjafjallajökull. Okay. This is the Eyjafjallajökull. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is okay. Can you please read? What is the
Uh,
Eyjafjallajökull? Yalakol.
Fias Alaika.
Okay,
I
it's
don't know.
okay. Eyjafjallajökull. Okay, it's okay, Lynn. Even though teacher is having a hard time to pronounce. Okay, please read, Lynn. What is Eyjafjallajökull?
In 2010, ash from this volcano in Iceland topped more than 100,000 airline flights.
Oh, wow. So the Eyjafjallajökull, a volcano in Iceland whose 2010 eruption disrupted global air travel. Okay, take note. Okay, we also have, or this one is the natural wonders. Okay, so the natural wonders that we already tackled is the brown bear and the Eyjafjallajökull. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Lynn, even though teacher love to continue the class, but our time has come to an end. Okay, it's already 8:25, and our time has come to an end. Okay, thank you so much, Lynn.
Thank you
Next
so
time we
much.
will discuss the remaining topics about Europe. Okay, good night and
Yeah.
goodbye. Happy New Year.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Happy New Year.
Goodbye. Good night, Lynn. Goodbye. Thank you so much.